What if I told you there are foods you can buy today, put on a shelf, and pass down to your grandkids perfectly intact? Forget 20-year shelf lives. Welcome back to the Prepper's Path. And today, we are looking at the holy grail of the Prepper Pantry. 5 foods that literally never expire. Number 1. Raw honey. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly safe to eat. It might crystallize over time, but just sit the jar in warm water and it's good as new. Number 2. Pure salt. Makes sense, right? It's a mineral that's been in the earth for millions of years. Keep it away from moisture, and plain salt will outlast you, your pantry, and the house it sits in. Number 3. Sugar. Whether it's white, brown, or powdered, bacteria simply cannot survive in a highly concentrated sugar environment. It might turn into a hard brick if moisture gets in, but it will never spoil. Number 4. White vinegar. Because of its high acidity, white vinegar is completely self-preserving. Not only does it never go bad, but it's also a prepper powerhouse for cleaning, medical uses, and preserving other foods. Number 5. Cornstarch. As long as you keep it dry, this survival staple will stay perfectly fine forever. You'll be thickening apocalyptic soups and gravies until the end of time. Here is the one catch. Indefinite only counts if you store them right. Keep these enemies out: heat, light, and moisture. Seal them up tight in a cool, dark place, and you are set for life. Hit that subscribe button for more no-nonsense prepping tips, and I'll see you in the next one.